This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can group different objects together in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I have a presentation, and let's suppose I have this picture of fruit, and then I have this picture of vegetables, and I want to enclose them in a box and then group them together. So I will go ahead and type fruit here. I will type the vegetables here. I'm going to play with the font to make it more visually appealing. And let's suppose I want to add a border around those pictures. So I'm going to draw a box here, and then I'm going to draw a box here. And I know they're not the same size, but that is okay. And then I'm going to change the fill to clear so you can see what's inside of it. And then I'm going to make my borders thicker because I like thick borders. And now let's suppose that on my screen, I want to be able to move everything inside of these boxes at the same time. This is how you do that. You highlight everything that you want to group together, or you can individually select each object. So an object is each component that you want to put together. Then you right click, then you select group, and then you select group again. And now that I've grouped them all together, all three of these objects or items move together. When you've grouped them together, you can still edit them individually by clicking on that object and making your edits. So even with everything hooked together, you can still change the size, you can still change the font, you can even add effects to the different pictures. And so let's do the same thing with the vegetables. I'm going to highlight everything, then right click, and then select group. So this video showed you how to group different objects together so that you can get different groups of text, pictures, shapes, etc. to move together in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.